Hey, welcome back on the channel. This is Adnan Suhail, Learning and Career Advisor. In today's this video, we are going to talk about how you can apply for your HRCI examinations. Let's watch it.
Today we're going to show you how to apply for your HRCI exam. Applying for an HRCI exam is simple. Here's how. Create an account at www.hrci.org. Now click on the Apply Now button. Enter your email address and create a password. The password must be 8 characters long with 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number between 0 and 9. Click Sign Up. Let's begin your application journey. You must now create an account. Make sure to apply and use your full legal name as it appears on your government-issued identification document. Then click Create Account. Now click on the My Applications button. This exam application process should take no longer than 10 minutes. Click on Begin New Application. Next page, complete the requested information. Your birth date is required as it determines your 3-year recertification cycle once you become certified. Be sure to fill out if you have any affiliations with any HR organizations. If you do not, press None. Now select the highest level of education as applicable. Now click Save and Continue. To add relevant work experience, click on Add HR Experience. After you added all your relevant experience, click Save. Once you are done completing your experience, please click Continue. Now you can select the exam type that you qualify for. Here's the listing of all the exam types you qualify for. Now click Save and Continue. For study materials, review the Build Your Own bundle products displayed. Review the selected exam and fees. If you have a voucher or promo code, please enter it here. Now you can proceed to checkout after you reviewed your shopping cart. You must review all HRCI statements, certification handbooks, policies, and procedures. Scroll all the way down to confirm that you reviewed our global privacy policy. Agree to all the statements above and attest that all information in this application is true. Please understand that your exam must be scheduled and taken within 180 days of exam application acceptance date. Also agree and understand that the exam application fees are non-refundable. Click Continue. On a limited basis, HRCI can offer special accommodations if testing in the United States. If you require special accommodation, follow the steps to complete request. Click Continue. Please add in here any HR preparation organization. If you did not prepare with any materials, click None. Type None. Billing information will be pre-populated. If this information is different, enter the billing address. Now, then click Continue. Enter method of payment and credit card information. Now submit your order. Thank you for your payment. We will send a confirmation email with the next steps.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this step-by-step guide in order to enter for your HRCI certification examination. Do you want to watch more videos? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and give it a thumbs up to this video if you liked it.